Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope you're all having a good Tuesday and you're all having a great week. Well, as you can see, we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. So let's see who this is from. Well, we have stamped cross stitch. Get rid of that bag. All right. This is coming from ColorfulDIY. And I don't know which one to start with. We'll start with this one first, I guess. Let me get it out of its bag. That is, providing I can figure out which way it goes. Ah, it goes this way. Ouch. All right. Get it out of its bag and put that up there. I'm going to just hold it like this because the paper is kind of thin. As you can see, this is a DIY cross stitch, and it looks like, I don't know if they're peonies or if they are mums or what is the other one, carnations, but they sure are pretty. Look at those pink flowers. Aren't they beautiful? Trying to get the glare off of it. And this kit was, it's a 50 by 50 and it was $8.69. Now it does come with a paper pattern. Let's see what the paper pattern looks like. Alright. Well, it looks to be very well printed. It's on that shiny paper. This has 21 colors. Very nicely printed, but it might have to be blown up. Let me show you this side. It's just a tad bit on the small size. Okay, it doesn't have any 310 or 550 purple or 498 red or 666 red. It does have some 3371, and I'm trying to figure out where it has the 3371. Oh, I'm looking at this as that, so this is the symbol. Hello. So there's a lot of that in there. Just in the stems and the darkest part, like right in here, a little bit up in here where the little shadows are. But it's not very big. It does have product number and how big it is and how many squares per square. It's 173 by 173. I'm just going to move this out of my way so I don't have to crinkle all the time. Alright, well, let's take a look, because I can tell better from the canvas what it's going to look like. Alright, do we have any? We have 3 needles right there on the side of the canvas. Just look at those colors. Aren't they beautiful? Look at that magenta. Oh. This is kind of a dark, medium to dark rose color. Never seen that color before. There's your 3371, and then you have your pinks. And we have 2 more pinks and a gold over here. So no 3865 either. So no white. This is the lightest color in the whole batch. So very pretty indeed. Now this does not come with a toolkit. And it is not serged. I'm trying to get it to flop open here. And I'm looking for confetti. There's a little bit sprinkled here and there, but mostly it's rivers of color. So not a whole lot of definition. It does have a very wide margin over here, and it does have a fair sized picture. Let me try to get it away so you can see it actually. So that's pretty good picture for that. And it does have a salvage edge, so sometimes that's where I was going with that. They give you more. So it is 51 centimeters, so they give you 1 more centimeter wide because of that salvage edge. Not that it's going to make a whole heck of a lot of difference here in the picture. 51 by 49 and a half. Actual picture size is 15, we'll call it an eighth. No, try again, Laura. It's a little bit over 15 and a half or 39 and a half centimeters. Make sure I got that right. Yep, 39 and a half that way, and 39 and a half this way, or 15 and a half. It's a little bit closer to that 39 and a half now. So not too bad, not too big of a, you know, a hard project at all. It would be a great project for somebody that was just starting. But there is going to be a lot of background color there. That 15 is that, really. So all of this right in here, just right in here, and then like I said throughout, is that 3371, that dark color. You can see that a little bit better. I didn't even notice it because it looks like a lighter background, but these kind of fade to dark over in here. Why does that do that? That's quite odd. There's your flower. Then you have color. I guess it's another color right in here. It is 3608, and it's a pink right there in that background. So the 3371 is like the ends of these dark leaves. Okay, had me going there for a minute. I thought all that was 15, but it's not. But not a whole lot of confetti at all. This has just minimal, very minimal. It would be a very nice starter kit for somebody, you know, that you could practice your stitching in those great big areas, you know, and get onto it. So, yeah, a little bit different. Let's take a look at the next one. Got a big enough bag, holy cow. All right, this one is 60 by 60, and it was $13.92. These are the ones that mostly I see a lot of. It has the product number, how big it is, and it's 234 by 234. So it's 10 centimeters bigger than the last one. Oh my goodness, I can't get this stupid thing pulled open. Holy cow. It has a huge paper pattern. And I'm seeing a little blotching right here on this paper, but it doesn't affect the pattern yet. Oh my God, what the heck? Get up there. It stuck itself to somebody else's bag. Oh hell, I can't deal like this. Okay, so we have blotching on this pattern. Down in here, it gets a little fuzzy, just lightly fuzzy. And there's just a little bit of blotching here and there. But I don't use the paper pattern, but I will let them know that the paper pattern has some blotching. They should have tried it. But don't get me started on this. But I'm not, there's a little bit up in here. I'm not seeing any of that here. It's mainly this orangish and black and pinky colors. And then right down here. So if I was going to use it, I'm just folding it in half. It's easier to deal with. There's none over here. And there's none, there's a little bit on the margin on the outside. But that doesn't affect anything. They could have had a better picture. It's like they blew it up way too far. Let's see what colors are in this and how many colors are in this. We have 36 colors this time. We have 310 black, 498, which is brick red, no 666, no 550 purple, no 939 or 823 or 3371, and it does not have any 3865. It has 3861. So I'm not sure what color they're going to be using for the for white, or you know, if they need it or not. So let's take a look at what else we have. We have a toolkit, 5 needles, poof ball thimble, and needle threader. And we have a papillon. Okay. Look at this bag. I need a drink. My throat is just totally dry. Totally dry. For some reason, I don't know, it was kind of windy all day yesterday, so that's probably why. Alright, so we have some hanks of thread. We have 902, which is a lovely brickish red. I bet that's 310, yep. We have one of 310 black. That's a pretty color, kind of a, I don't know, a gray brown, if you will. Don't know how else to explain it. It is 3782. It's very pretty. And then we have this light, pale, kind of a grayish green, 3024. So those are nice, and they're nice and soft too. I like these no-name kits. I really do. They do a good job. Except for paper patterns. They haven't gotten paper pattern 101 down yet, but we're working on it between all of us complaining. Look at those beautiful colors. Look at that magenta. Whoa. It's like dark hot pink. Then we have some bittersweet orange. We have some medium salmon. We have purples and golds in several shades there. You have kind of an antique goldish brown there. And some reds and some olive greens. And I'm looking, these are your two darkest browns. So that's nice. Just beautiful colors. Gorgeous. And this one is going to be a little bit of a hot moment, as I say. Okay, let's wrap everybody up. But those are beautiful colors. They kind of look like fall colors. Okay, let's see that canvas. Oh my goodness. Okay, it is serged all the way around. It does have product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. 234, huh? And it is confetti paradise. Oh my goodness. And the stitching goes into the numbers a little bit, but the paper pattern will match the canvas for symbols, so if you can't read something, but that serging does not go into the symbols. And this is your number on your thread card, so the only thing you've really lost is your DMC numbers right down the side, and they're on the paper pattern. That part was not affected. But yeah, this is like confetti everywhere. Oh my goodness. Yeah, let me flip it out. That is one big cat. That's almost the size of my cat in real life. Just saying. Oh, well, she might be a little bit bigger than that. You know, she's got fluffy fur, so it makes her look a little bit bigger. Okay, we got 60 centimeters, maybe a tad over, or almost 23 3/4 by 59.5 centimeters, or 23, almost 23.5. Actual picture size is 21 inches, or little over 53 centimeters the other way, and 54 centimeters, or 21.25 inches. So this is a big girl, but that confetti, see now right here, this is not confetti. It is whatever is right here on this side. Yeah. And the cat's not confetti. I mean, just has maybe, oh, I'm going to say 3 symbols. 3, 4, 5. In this area right here, there's about 5 symbols. But over here, it's like every third one is something else. I'm sorry. Yeah, and then you get to the flowers and all the greenery. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. But yeah, it's kind of a huge picture. I'm looking. So you see how that's all confettied? Wherever there's flowers or something in that background that I am just not seeing, what is out there? Oh, it's trees and stuff. Because this part right here is the window. And then the window pane goes across this way. The cat's head's here. Cat's looking out, so there's like palish, like 3 shades of trees out here that the cat is looking at, and it looks like maybe the sun is shining this way, so it made it all light in the background. But those flowers are beautiful. Yeah. Oh yeah. We're going to take a hot moment on this one. This looks like a winter project. I say that, and I have 900 winter projects stacked up. But yeah, just very well made. I mean, very easy to read symbols. It's just, let me turn it right side up. But as you can see, it's just got confetti, 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 and then you get, see, this is that background of the other side of that window right in here. So yeah, oh, give me strength. Maybe not today. All right. So Colorful DIY has free shipping on over $69. If they have any specials, I will put that in the description box below. They have cross stitch, embroidery, and diamond painting. They have tools and crafts for all of that. And they usually have comparable prices and usually a wonderful selection. So do check them out. Thank you, Colorful DIY, for sending me these 2 beautiful kits. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.